Are you an iPhone user who needs help changing their password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone? If so, here's how you're going to do it. By the end of this video, you will learn how to change your password and keep your account secure. So first step, you're going to head over to your Yahoo Mail app, and then from your dashboard or from your inbox page, you're going to click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now from here, you're just going to click on the settings, and then from the settings page, you're going to click on manage accounts under the accounts and security section. Now from here, you're going to click on the account, which is in blue font under your account name. And then from here, you're going to click on security right here. So just click on security right there, and then you're going to make sure that you click on allow if they need your Face ID. So I'm going to click on allow, and then it's going to need my Face ID to open. Now from here, you're just going to scroll down until you see the change password section. So from here, you're just going to click on this password right here, and then you're going to just type in the new password that you want to set anew. And that's it. Once you have set your new password, you're just going to confirm it by clicking or by typing in another confirmation password. Just make sure not to use a variation of an old password or any personal information in your password. After that, you're just going to have to click on continue right here, and then you're going to confirm. And that's it. Your new password will now be created. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.